Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery, how to get to the battery on a 2013 Ford Escape. So the battery is right here, and to get to the battery you have to remove this piece, this whole piece, plus the windshields. So I'm going to show you what you need. So first of all, you need to get to the windshields, you take this, take it out, and then you're going to need a socket head. This one is a 5/8. I already loosened it a little bit, so you take it out. This one you just wiggle it a little bit and then it should come out. It's not hard. And now we need to take this plastic piece out. There are a couple of clips over here. If you see them, that's just one. There are a couple of clips we need to take out. Okay, so it's easier to take it out with a screwdriver. Make sure you don't lose them. It's hard to take video and get those at the same time. There's a couple of them over here. One here, another one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to take them out, and I'm just going to pause for a little second, and then I'll be back. So now that I took all these pieces out, make sure you just have some tray to put them on. You don't want to lose them. Now this one is easy to take off. Should come off easily. Okay, there's a couple of clips in here. Don't break them. Okay, so here it is. Okay, the next part is you need to take this out. So you need another socket head. And for this one you need a 8mm head. You just need to take this out. And then this one should have a couple screws in here. Will be this one. Actually this one right here, and there should be another one, two on this side. It'll be this one right here and this one over here. So just 3 screws. You need to take this whole piece out. Okay, and now that I took the screws out, there was 4 screws actually. One here, one on this side, and 2 on this side. This one right here and this one right here. Now this whole piece would come out, should come out. Okay, you put it on the side. Now you get to the battery. You have to take this screw out and this one, and then it should just come out. Okay, now these 2 screws came out. Then you should be able to take this piece, and this thing actually should just come out. And there you go, that's your baby right here. And then you can just take it out. Just have to loosen this screw and take it out. And of course, to put it back in, you have to go back in reverse order. Good luck.